Hello and welcome, my name is Rick and we're making a project called Obstacle Dodge, which is a fun little avoid the obstacle style game which will allow you to learn the fundamentals of Unity and the fundamentals of C#. Now the game itself requires a player. The player will have input 4 to move up, down, left, right. We have a camera, we'll be implementing Cinemachine, which is cool. Obstacles to avoid, we'll have a bit of a score that goes up when you bump into things and the color will change when you bump into them. Projectiles that will be flung at the player. Spinny things to avoid that are quite fun and interesting, and fally things that are going to try to fall on the player from above. Now the game design, we're not doing a lot of game design here, but it's good to know the core so we can get into the habit of what is our design, what's the player experience, what do we want the player to be feeling, thinking, what sort of environment do we want to create for them. Are we creating something where we want them to feel clever, we want them to feel that they should be careful? I don't think so. Nah, I think for this game I'm going to make something that has the player feel more panicked and rushed. The core mechanic is pretty simple: move and also dodge obstacles, and our game loop is get from A to B. That's the game. Now what do you do in this game? Well, you're getting from A to B. And in this project we'll be learning a ton of fundamentals of programming. We'll be learning all about variables, methods, if statements, collisions, trigger volumes, player input, and a bunch more. We'll be learning some of the fundamentals of Unity, like how game objects work and how to interact with them, prefabs, Cinemachine, tags, components, order of execution, and a whole bunch more. And to get us started, I have a quick, silly challenge for you. I want you to give your player a name. I'm going to be calling my player Dodgy the player, because we have to dodge around things, so that I give a little bit of personality to it. So have a think about that, and by the time we get to the next lecture, which is about to start, I want you to have thought about your game. Pause the video if you need to. Otherwise, I will see you in the next lecture where we get started making this really fun little project. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you create. Let's get started.